PPT is about the system requirements. To know what is meant by the requirements, it is a description of services that a software must provide in order to operate it. Without knowing any software requirement, we cannot operate any software. There are four types of software requirements. System requirement is one among them. And coming to system requirements, these are the requirements at system level. It expresses the level of safety, security to stakeholders to fulfill their requirements uh, at system level. There are some of principle governing system requirements, like the translate requirements of stakeholder statements to engineering-oriented language to achieve architecture definition, design, and verification. What is meant by architecture and design? It is nothing but consistent, coherent, and exhaustive. Uh, these are useful to express the system requirements. So coming about the natural language, this language is used to write both system and user requirements. And 71.8% of documents are written in natural language. And these are very difficult to understand. The problems with natural language: lack of clarity, confusion of functional statement requirements, and you know that system requirements are more detailed than user requirements. They may cause a confusion and hard to understand. And we know that they use the same words and same concept that may lead to misunderstanding. These are some of the other languages that that helps to overcome the natural language. Structural natural language. This language use the concept of templates to express requirement specification. This is used to describe our functions, what are the inputs and outputs that we give, and the entities that we use, and the action that we have to take, precondition and postcondition, and side effects of the operation. And there are other notations like design description language, where we use programs and high level language. Graphical notations, where we use this how the state changes for the sequence of operations. And in mathematical specifications, we use finite state concept and sets. This is the example using case templates. And these are some of the practical considerations about the system requirements. Coming to the first, insufficient analysis of stakeholder requirements. If the stakeholder don't perform sufficient critical analysis, then they may face difficulties. Second one is insufficient analysis of operational modes and scenarios. Third one is incomplete set of system requirements. Here, if we don't have precise and complete system requirements, there may be a greater risk of quality. Lack of verification method. If it doesn't verify the methods, they may cause more errors and it cause a lot of difficulty. Missing traceability. Here there is an example for the system requirements that are needed for the Windows and Mac operating systems. Like the memory, the storage, and the media, and the operating system processor may change. This is a game called Dishonor 2, and to operate on a system, these are the system requirements that we need. Like RAM 8 GB, OS Windows 7, 8, and 10 of 64-bit versions, and graphic card, and free disk space of 60 GB. Coming to the advantages of system requirements, it helps to create consensus amongst application stakeholders. It contains precise and accurate statements. The scope, size, and complexity of application can be set up. Thank you.